This is an orientation program for newly appointed members, non-official members of State Transport Authority, that is STA, and Regional Transport Authority, RTA, who function at various levels. STA functions at headquarter levels, and RTAs function at ADT level in our 10 sub-offices. So there is one non-official member in every RTA.
What is the role of them?
It is a quasi-judicial authority provided under Motor Vehicle Act 1988, that is STA and RTA, who decides the applications of route permits, that is new route permits, cancellation, extension, whatever.
But do they have any experience in transport system and all
So
that?
non-official members, there is nothing prescribed basically. Official members should have required experience, and they are within that.
So
Chairman and member secretary.
when they are appointed, what do you all look at?
What is the role of them?
Qualification, what it is?
No, there is nothing prescribed for non-official members. It is a government prerogative to appoint the members.
What is the role played by them?
So they constitute that body, right? So they have there is a decision making.
So decision-making body, but they can decide on the road permits and all. They don't have any experience.
So there is a technical person. No? Now all the chairmen of RTAs are deputy directors, and all the member secretaries of all the RTAs are assistant directors of concerned office.
But they
So
say
they
for
are,
them.
yeah, and there is one, so it is a voice of public into the decision making process basically. But there are two officials who are well versed technically in the subject matter.
कितले numbers involved are इथून आता
So total 13 are there. So 10 RTAs, and here at STA remaining.
अशें सदांच म्हटलेलें आसा की परमिटां रोड परमिटो कितें जाल्यार अशें जाय जाल्यार रोखडेंच मेळटा सो ह्या आहले हेचेर मागीर दुबावाचे हेचेर तुमी कितें म्हणूंक सोदतालो बिकॉज दीज आर ऑलवेज सम स्पेक्युलेशन
They are bound by the procedure. Whatever criteria and all is laid down in the motor vehicle act. So definitely, if they deviate, like someone will challenge it. So there is no. You have to follow the rules and regulations.